Well, it's April 5th, and I'm getting weary. As you can tell, I've gotten 4.5 inches of rain so far. I know last night down in Howe County, they went under a flood emergency. Don't get off in that water, because in those cities, those manholes, they fill up. And then you've got that sewage water that starts coming out of it mixed in with the flood water, and it's never a good thing. But the ground is so saturated. I'm going to show you this. Water's flooding down below here in the field, but notice that the creek so far is still in its banks, not for much longer if we get any more rain. But yeah, it's already filling up the field quite a bit. Let's go down here and see what else we've got. Well, this is underneath the bridge. If the water keeps coming up, it'll soon be out of its banks. This is my drive right now. Boy, I sure wish the county would have came out and uncovered those culverts to handle the water, but that's my slab. Well, the end of it, it's pretty much gone. So I don't know, after all the water subsides, how I'm even going to get out of here. But the creek's pretty much almost out of its banks here on my side. There's a vehicle trying to pass up on the road, but you can see the floodwaters here, and it's just a raging. Any more rain and this will be completely out of the banks and over the road, which has happened many times before. But that's the end of my driveway. It's gone.